Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your Snapchat account, follow these careful steps to ensure your account and data are completely removed from the platform. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to accounts.snapchat.com. You cannot delete your account directly from the mobile app. Step 2. Log in using your Snapchat username and password. Enter your credentials carefully to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Delete My Account option. This will take you to the account deletion page. Step 4. Re-enter your username and password to confirm your identity. Snapchat requires this additional verification for security purposes. Step 5. Read the information about what happens when you delete your account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days before permanent deletion. Step 6. Click the Continue button to proceed with account deletion. Your account enters a 30-day deactivation period. Step 7. Avoid logging in during the 30-day period. Logging in will reactivate your account and cancel the deletion process. Step 8. After 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. This includes snaps, stories, friends list, and all account information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.